Hello, my name is John Ferris and I want to show you a little bit about what we can do within the video marketing video options that we produce. So Duncan and I are actually able to look at going down this series here of deciding on designs with these avatars talking to us with your content. So you can have your content in a number of different formats, text, typewriter style, etc. In this case I'm going to go for the lines fading in. Now you can have different backgrounds as you can see here, but again I personally have a preference for a blank canvas. So in other words, we put the image in the background later on. We can choose a number of different characters. We have a wide selection here of different characters that will actually talk and walk with us, etc. And in this particular instance I'm going to select Emily. So Emily will be our character. We have a selection of different languages that she can speak from. In this instance, as you can see, we've got US English, and as we scroll through and up we also have British English. So we have Amy, Emma, Emily and Lily, all who are different types of voices. Now I'm going to just paste some content there. You will see the benefits of that in a minute. I'm going to run our play.
Our avatar builder system allows you to choose from a number of different avatars, including male or female, to present your message.
As you can see, we can have the voice at a nice pace. We can actually bring that down should we want to.
Our avatar builder system allows you to choose from a number of different avatars, including male or female, to present your message.
There we go. So that's the benefit of that. We can change the picture if we wish to, and we can, should we wish to, provide for different languages, etc. So for example, if I wish to have Polish, I can literally auto-translate that to our required language. Now in this instance I am going to return back to our British English with Amy, and we are just going to go back there.
Our avatar builder system allows you to choose,
and there we have the British English. So that's the next stage. So we have our translation, we have our words appearing to the right hand side here. So I particularly like the idea of the gold colour, or a gold colour there, or a yellow colour for the text with the black background. I could add a logo should I wish. Now let's say for example you want to change the colour of a pair of shoes to a black, which goes slightly better maybe with the skirt. So that's now chosen, and you can see the shoe colour has been changed. You've got all those options that we can actually change details on of the avatar. So at this stage we have our scene developing. We can change fonts should we wish to. I'm sticking with that particular font, and now I'm going to go to looking for an image, and so we've got a free selection here. You can upload should you wish to, but I'm going to put avatar builder because that's the subject that we're actually looking for, and I'm going to do a search. Okay, that's not quite what I was hoping for, so we'll go for and we have a bunch of different graphics there. Now for me personally, I would look for a avatar builder video maybe, and there we have a selection of different graphics that we can potentially use. We can select one of those that we might decide has a little bit of interest. I'll go for that in this instance, and we have our video now being generated. So now in this instance, this is where I have to remember that I have actually got a black colour to the background, and I have to think about that because it may be that we might need to change this particular area. So what I'll do again is go back in and type in avatar video, and you can look through, and potentially you could, I don't know, we could actually go message video actually, because that's what we're talking about here, your message, and we can get that there, and I think that one works quite well, so let's try for that. Okay, so we're going to use that particular video, and as you can see straight away we have the avatar in position. You'll notice that we need to add by applying all. And once we've applied all, we can see our words actually appearing, and our avatar moving, our model speaking will actually be moving as well. So we are now your message played. I'm going to pause the video now and just wait until that has been generated. So here we have our result. The video is ready to play.
Our avatar builder system allows you to choose from many different avatars, including male and female, to represent your message. We can provide you with the ability to decide the language, tone and speed of delivery. What language do you want your video to be in? With multiple languages to choose from, we can create audio and text in our preferred language. We can also change the text color if necessary. Free backgrounds are available, or we can add backgrounds to your videos.
So you can see the value of these videos and how a message can be put across to reach the potential client or customer that you wish to connect with. So why not make contact with us today so that we can produce a result for you to meet your needs. My name is John Fairest. Please take time to make contact today.